Lifestyle Aviation is proud to introduce you to November 868 US, a 2008 Diamond DA40 XLS. Additional features of this Diamond DA40 XLS 2008 model is the enlarged bubble canopy, tuned power flow exhaust, and a 406 ELT. You'll also enjoy the comfort and safety of the AmSafe airbag restraint system. The aircraft is located in the mid-Atlantic area of the East Coast and is available for demo flights. Lifestyle Aviation is a turnkey provider of modern aircraft. We offer everything from insurance, delivery, training, and all aspects of whatever a buyer may need to make it a seamless, excellent buying experience and to help you get started enjoying the freedom of the skies in your modern new aircraft. Call us at Lifestyle Aviation at 406-359-1669. That's 406-359-1669.